Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the phone so the sensor can read your fingerprint. This matters because dirt or old software causes failures. Make sure your iPhone 6 has the latest compatible iOS, then clean and dry the home button. Once done, remove any case and open settings, choose Touch ID and passcode, and tap Add a fingerprint. You'll start placing your finger on the home button. Lift and rest it repeatedly so the sensor captures edges and center for a full scan. Now you focus on technique. This is where most setups fail, so be deliberate. You place the same finger on the home button many times, altering the angle slightly each press so the sensor learns different contact points. Keep pressure gentle and steady. Too hard or too light will reduce accuracy. If the process stops prematurely, delete the partial print and restart. Make sure you also register an alternate finger, because once done, having two prints improves reliability for everyday unlocking and purchases. You finish by verifying functionality. Lock the iPhone 6 and unlock with the registered finger to confirm success. If Touch ID still fails, delete all fingerprints, reboot the phone, and attempt a fresh setup. Sometimes a restart clears sensor glitches. Once done, try registering a different finger. Sweaty or scarred prints cause issues. If problems persist even after a restore via iTunes, the home button hardware may be damaged, and professional repair is the next step. Consider that single troubleshooting tip if nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.